Want to use action buttons on Instagram? One of the most frustrating things about Instagram is that you can only have one link on your profile. Well, that all changes with action buttons. Let me show you what they are and how to use them right now. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you've had figure out social media for your business or brand on your to-do list for a long time, but it just keeps getting shoved down because you don't know where to start, it's overwhelming, it seems like it's going to be too much work, you're in the great place right now. Every week we put out a new video teaching you a different piece of your digital marketing strategy. So if that sounds like something you could use, go ahead and hit subscribe, click that bell so you're notified when a new video comes out. My name is Jerry Potter. By the end of this video, you are going to know how to use Instagram action buttons. In fact, I'll go ahead and say you're going to be an expert at Instagram action buttons because that's how easy they are. So for a long time, you could only have one link in your Instagram profile. Then when they rolled out business profiles, you could add directions to your physical location, a button to email, to call, or to text. Now we can add links to make reservations, to schedule time, to sell tickets, all kinds of stuff with Instagram action buttons. So in Instagram, on your profile, you want to click Edit Profile. Then scroll down under Business Information where it says Contact Options. Click on that. And then underneath your contact information, you want to click Add an Action Button. Now these are all the different services that you can connect and have as action buttons on your profile. As you can see, there's quite a few. You can sell tickets, you can give away tickets to a free event that has registration, you can do restaurant reservations, you can schedule time and appointments with different programs. So a lot of different stuff here. But for this example, let's go ahead and use Eventbrite, which is a ticketing service if you're not familiar. So I choose Eventbrite, I hit Next. And then now it's asking me for the URL, the website address for Eventbrite for your event. It doesn't require a login or anything like that. It's just a link to that page. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in this random event that I saw because I'm not currently doing an event. And now you see it says action button, get tickets. It's all set up. That's it. Now let me show you what it looks like. Go back, hit done. If you go look at my profile now here, it says get tickets. Click on that. And there it is, a real estate agent throwing a broker appreciation brunch. So you can see this is a free event, but you can still use Eventbrite to use it. So that's how easy it is to set up an action button on Instagram. So now that you've got an action button, how will you use it? I want to give you a few possible ideas on how to promote it. But real quick, are you going to use the Instagram action button? And if so, which service are you using it with? Let me know down in the comments right now. So let's talk about how you can promote it. First of all, if you're putting up a picture or a video in your Instagram feed, you can now say, hey, you can order this without even leaving Instagram. Just go click the link in our profile. You can obviously do the same thing in Instagram stories. And then a third option would actually be put something in your actual bio. So if it is schedule time with me, for example, you can put that in your bio, and then of course the link will be right there. If you want to track conversions from Instagram, you could always offer a coupon code if that's something you offer specifically for Instagram users, and that way you'd be able to see where that traffic is coming from. I hope now you feel like an expert on Instagram action buttons because they're really pretty simple to set up and use. If you've got further questions, drop them in the comments or join us in our free Facebook group. You can just search 5-Minute Social Media on Facebook and we'll accept you and you'll join in there. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a like, hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home. Thank you so much for checking out 5-Minute Social Media.